Hi, I have the opportunity to go to the WeAreDevelopers Congress today, and I want to take you with me on my journey because I think it's going to be amazing. There are a lot of companies that work with IT and software development, and a lot of amazing hackers and stuff like people like that will come. And I'm like kind of nervous because I think I don't know anything. I don't have any clue about anything of that. But yeah, I'll just take the opportunity because I don't know what the future will give me. So let's do this.
We play key roles in designing, installing, testing, and maintaining software systems. The programs we create help businesses to run more efficiently
and provide better services around.
This is not what we are. We are different. We are developers and that run because we're the ones who run vision. We're the world's pacemakers who run characters. We are the special ones.
Wozniak.
Hard to believe. It's the largest group I've ever been in front of, I think.
How are you, Steve?
What?
How are you, mate?
Very good, yeah.
Excellent.
Honored to be here. Oh my gosh, I could go back through and really do a nice, efficient, short job, but I'm never allowed to on the time schedule. It only takes a couple of days, actually. You might have worked on a project for 6 months, but in your head so well, a couple of days to give it a retry, making it very compact, simple, straightforward solution, different approaches. That was the way that I always worked, actually, so I'm not really giving myself advice.
So we just watched the Apple co-founder, and it was so amazing and cool. And the most important thing he said was probably that we just shouldn't read books, but write our own books, and the developers take stuff and make something new that is better and improves. So yeah, this is probably the thing to keep in mind, and also that success in life means happiness, and happiness means smiles minus frowns. So that's the point. It was a great day, and I've learned a lot, especially that I still have to learn so much, and now I'm pretty nervous and excited for all the things that I want to do. But yeah, that's life. You can always go one step further, right? So the day was really amazing, as I already told, and the best talk was probably about the mental health perspective of programming, and that you can handle anxiety somehow. It is pretty cool that there was a talk about people who also have are struggling with enjoying the life to the fullest, because I'm still not quite sure how to handle all the stuff I want to do, and to be sure that there's some future waiting for me, and just to trust in that process. But the second best talk was probably about the, I don't know exactly, because the first one was also really impressive by Steve Wozniak, as I already told, because he also gives this perspective and inspiration. But I've also learned a lot when there was somebody coming from Lean SI, who told us about APIs and also how to handle microsystems, and this was really interesting and inspiring. And probably I will also want to do programming in the future, but also the connection with science is really important for me. I don't know if I am like the programming girl. I just have to learn a lot, and it's so cool. It's like so amazing to have these amazing people around me that can read like thousands of codes and just interpret everything that's in there. But okay, yeah, that's it probably for today. We will see tomorrow, and I will take you with me then as well. So yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm currently at U-Bahn, yeah, so on my way home.